In this video, we are going to locate, download, and then install SQL Server and Management Studio, which is the GUI that we access SQL Server with. So first of all, jump over to your browser of choice and type in SQL Server. We'll go to Microsoft links for the SQL Server downloads. You want to make sure that you stay on official Microsoft websites. So I'm going to scroll down directly to the free specialized editions. One of them is Developer, which has basically all the enterprise tier features in there. So we'll want to use that for our testing and learning purposes. But if you do need to use something for production, you can also use the Express, which is free, but it's really scaled down. It doesn't have a SQL Server agent, and it also is limited to one CPU and 1 gig of RAM. It has a few other limitations too, but it will be useful for smaller businesses or really small applications that don't need all the services of the primary SQL Server, standard, or enterprise. So let's go ahead and download this. All right. And we're done.